Are you trying to apply for a good conduct certificate and feeling confused by the process? In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method, filling the form, paying, and even booking for fingerprints. Welcome to Kenya Digital Guide. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss any important guide. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what a good conduct certificate is. A good conduct certificate is also known as a police clearance certificate. It's an official document issued by the DCI to show whether someone has a criminal record or not. Before you start the application, make sure you have a valid eCitizen account, your national ID card, and if you are under 18 years, you may need a birth certificate. The application fee, which is usually 1,050 bob, and have access to M-Pesa, card, or another available payments method. Make sure your details are correct before proceeding. Step 1. Go to eCitizen portal and log in using your ID number or phone number. Find the DCI services. This is where the police clearance or good conduct application is found. Click on police clearance certificate or good conduct option. Then choose to make a new application. Your basic details may already appear automatically from your eCitizen profile. Check everything carefully: full name, ID number, date of birth, phone number, email address. If anything is wrong, correct if were possible before moving forward. Continue filling in the missing information in the application form. This may include your place of birth, your current address, district or county details, and any other required information. Take your time and make sure everything matches your official document. Some parts of the process may require you to choose where you will go for your fingerprinting. This could be DCI offices or another designated location, depending on the system instructions. So, once all details are correct, submit the application and move to the payment section. The standard fee is usually 1,050 bob. Choose your preferred payment, whether you are using M-Pesa, debit card, or credit card. After payment, make sure you keep the receipt. So, after you complete your payment, application is not fully done until fingerprints capture is complete. You may be asked to download or print the invoice, download the C24 form, or any generated application document. Visit the assigned DCI offices, carry your ID, payment receipt. After fingerprinting and final submission, processing usually takes time depending on the workload. In many cases, it may take some few days or a couple of weeks. So always keep checking your eCitizen account for update instead of guessing. To check your application status, log into your eCitizen account, go to DCI or police clearance section, open your submitted application, check your current status. Once approved, you may be able to download or access the certificate through the same portal. Here are some common mistakes that delay many people: entering wrong ID information, using an eCitizen account with incorrect personal information, paying and forgetting to complete fingerprinting, not downloading the required. Always read every instruction on the portal carefully. And that's exactly how to apply for a good conduct certificate through eCitizen. If the video helped you, please subscribe and share it with someone who is applying for a job, school, or an office. And if you want more step-by-step tutorials, then subscribe to Kenya Digital Guides right now. And also comment below and tell me which Kenyan online services you want me to explain next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next guide.